Hi friends, welcome back to Greens and Browns. This is Christina DSouza and I love to DIY. Recently I did a small room in my home and I love decorating it. If you haven't watched it, I will link it in the description box below. I also picked this beautiful rattan love seed from Marketplace. It's a great place to shop for all your shopping needs on a tight budget. As I like staying in budget, you would be surprised that I got this for a steal, just $25, and I'm loving it. These rose plants, I grew it out of a stem and I'm so excited that it's finally growing. In this video, I will be making two DIYs, one a coffee table and the second one a plant stand out of my old IKEA cabinet. In one of my trips to a flea market, I had picked this beautiful marble broken coffee table for $5. And since then, I have always wanted to make this functional. So I knocked off this leg and got this round cut wood piece and wooden legs from Home Depot. I picked the stain from Lowe's and got to work. I cleaned my pieces and stained it and let it dry. I marked the spot for the legs on the table. I drilled a hole on all the leg pieces and the bottom of the table. Along with screws, I will also be using E600 to secure all the legs. After screwing all the legs, I put a decent amount of glue on my marble. Luckily, I had a little bit of wood attached to the marble, so it stuck easily to the table. I let it dry for a bit, and this is how it looks. It's getting colder and I decided to bring all my plants indoor. I had this old IKEA cabinet. I decided to pull the drawers apart and repurpose it. In my previous videos, I had also made a shelf out of the drawers. Be sure to watch it. It looks very pretty. Once I unscrewed the base of the drawer, I was left with a square shape. I removed one of the side and that by itself looked like a bench or stand. Crystal here was helping me to remove all the screws. I will be adding screws at the top so it stays sturdy. For that, I marked and drilled a hole, then went ahead and added screws. I had an extra plank that I wanted to add as a shelf. I marked the spot roughly about 7 inches from the bottom, drilled holes and attached the plank. This is how it looks. Do like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Pinterest for more decor ideas. Be sure to click the bell icon for updates. Thank you for watching.